Music Gallery. Learn to operate the app. Get familiar with the interface and its functions. Sorting and filtering. Order the music list by composer, title, or time period.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Music Gallery app. Click on the play icon in order to start listening to the selected piece of music. Click anywhere on the playback bar to skip to the part in the music. By clicking on this icon, a slider appears with which you can set the volume. Click on this icon if you wish to pause playback. Click on this icon if you wish to play the typical extract from the selected piece of music. If this icon is active, playback will automatically restart at the end of the music. Click on this icon to hide or show the list of available pieces of music. In order to search among the pieces of music, you can enter keywords here. You can move the list by scrolling. Alternatively, you could scroll the list by dragging or by using the scroll bar on the right-hand side. Click on this icon to access sorting options. Sort the list by composer, by title, or by date. Click on this icon in order to filter the list by several criteria. If you wish to receive further information about our apps, please visit our website.